the eternal rose of Virgin Mary with a rose. This is the only one icon in which Virgin Mary is represented like a queen and Jesus Christ is represented as a king. And Virgin Mary, this is the only one icon in which Jesus Christ touches the face of his mother. This one is for the protection of the family. There is also for the protection of the house, the seven swords, or the healer. She's protecting our health. This one. This is the healer. And the last representation of Virgin Mary that I want to show you, because this is my favorite one, Our Lady of the Gate of Dawn, or Virgin Mary with two crowns, the Queen of the Night. She's protecting our dreams for a good sleep. So, the Queen of the Night. Let's see what's happening if we fill it with water. I will do it slowly, slowly, without overcrossing the line. But don't forget about the holes. You can see that nothing happening. We can use it normally. We can drink whatever we like. Water, wine, ouzo, tsipura. But what's happening if we pass the line? We lose everything. We say, if we are not satisfied with what we have in our life, we risk to lose everything. This is the cup of justice, or the cup of greed, the cup of moderation. And Pythagoras invented this cup just to show the limits to the people. But he let us a little bit just to remember what we had and what we lost. So the cup of justice. And because I know that you generally have a problem with your luggage, you can find it inside in a smaller size for small gifts and souvenirs.
But look at the cable car. You see the cable car from the office.
So this is the Holy Trinity Monastery. You see the cable car connecting the two rooms. So we're gonna get a 360-degree panoramic view of Meteora and all the 5 monasteries that are here in this area.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Leslie's all the way there. So we're visiting the monastery of St. Stephen's. It's actually a nunnery. So we go down these steps.
Careful, because there are some loose stones. Slowly, carefully.
Oh, goes down. Whoops. Keep your eyes straight ahead. So it looks like, yeah, this is probably what the rocks are made of. It's sediments of pebbles and sand. Interesting. From millions of years ago. We are approaching the monastery. Oh, it's all the way up there. It's very pretty here. Nice garden. And you see this monastery is perched right on top of the rock. The rock, and then the building continues on top of the rock. Yeah, this is a better view. The rock ends and the building structure starts up on top of the rock.
Yeah.
That's the flag of the Orthodox Church on the right, and then the Greek flag.
If you don't want the $5 pay, yeah. This is what happens. Yeah.
Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. And then by myself.
Okay. See the bus all the way there
Here.
in the distance.
We need to tip you top, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Those are the other two monasteries all the way up there.
Did they go inside?
Yeah, waiting for the ticket. Just wait.
And you can see the bus that's parked right to the next of these monasteries. So that's the other monastery in the distance. There's another one over there.
Because your knees are covered. They're fed by so many people.
Again, how they're attached to the rock.
Inhabited, actually, used by the hermits. Now you see on your left there are some remains, wooden pieces inside, because sometimes the monks go there to live, to stay alone for 1, 2, 3 days to meditate. I'm talking about the one on your left hand side. You see, you can see that.
So right there in the distance over there, in a kind of an opening in the cave, is where on the annual day of St. George, people bring scarves and offer it to St. George. Professional climbers climb and put those scarves there, and the old ones are given away as amulets.
Cypress trees, very Mediterranean landscape. The colors, the cypress trees are, you will see now on the front and right, are this tall, thin, elegant. Remember when we were saying that we plant cypress trees in cemeteries? But also this combination, now you see to your right, very Mediterranean. You see in Italy, the Italian landscape, the cypress trees and the silver green color of the olives. We enough appreciate this. This is our oil.
So we're here for dinner at a local restaurant here. This is the Gulf of Corinth. Looks like a beautiful setup here for our dinner.
Or you can see the cross.
All right, fried anchovies, Bussy. Like it? Yeah, and I got beef tenderloin here for dinner.
Yamas. Yamas. Yamas.
still hasn't snapped the picture. I think.
They sit. They sit down.
You're at the wrong table. We haven't even started and we see very
We don't know what to do.
Now, how did you pick us?
The castle at the top of the hill. So this is the little town square here. It's almost 10 o'clock here in Nafpaktos, and this is the night scene in the town square. Hello, my friend. This is night scene here